friends, how are you all? Welcome back. Today I'm going to take you around the mountains. We are here in Poconos, it's in Pennsylvania. So basically we are here for 2 nights and we'll be taking you around the mountains. And if there is snow, then we will go for snow tubing as well. But I don't know at this point, so we have to check. It's very cold in here, -4 degrees Celsius, and we are very excited and can't wait to go around and see what we can find it here. And lots of deer and what else, Iana? Moose?
No.
But we will find it out. So let's go and check.
The weather is beautiful, gorgeous today, but I heard tomorrow it's going to snow and there is blizzard, snowstorm. So let's see what is there for us tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. Happy snow day. As you can see, it's snowing here today. It's gorgeous and very chilly. In degrees Celsius, today it's almost -10 degrees Celsius. Very cold. And we will be going through the resort. This is Eagle Rock Resort in Poconos, and we'll go and check. There are a lot of activities going on during this time, so if we can get into it, we will go and check those activities. So stay tuned, stay with me, and we will hang out in the resort and Poconos today.
There you go. It's a snow blizzard today in Poconos. Very windy, and as you can see, it's heavy snowfall going on in here, and the roads are really bad. When it's too much of snowfall, it's really hard to keep up with the roads or clean the roads. Hey, can you see those deer? There are 2 deer we can see. I don't know, I wonder how they survive in this cold weather and when there is such a heavy snowfall. But it's wonder of nature, I guess. Now let's go for some snow activities. It's a ski area, ski and snow tubing, and I was not properly dressed, was not aware of the snow blizzard, so I didn't bring my snow boots, so I didn't go for the snow tubing, but Rishi and Iana went for snow tubing. So we will check it out how they are doing. And that blue board, can you see that blue board? This is the ski area, so those people, they go to that conveyor belt. That's me. Hi. And that blue board is the way to the snow tubing. It says tubing entrance, so we will go from that side. Let's check it out.
We will be now going to the snow tubing area. Rishi and Iana are doing tubing. It's so cold, really cold, but they managed to come here before it closed out. So let's go and check it out. That's where they are going. As you can see, those tubes, people are sitting on those tubes. Let me zoom it up a little bit. People sits on those tubes, and then there is a pulley system, and they are pulled to the top of the hill. And that's, I guess, Rishi and Iana. She will be coming now. That's Iana. spinning and coming. Both of them.
That's the conveyor belt I was talking about. You can see that's Yana and Rishi, and they will be sitting on their own tubes. And there is a string which gets attached to the conveyor belt, and it then pulls you to the top of the hill. Isn't that amazing? So you can see Yana is going there to the top of the hill, and from where she was sliding down.
So here's the ski tubing hill, and those chairs you can see, those on the trolley, those are for skiing. It's so cold. Look at my hands. I forgot to bring my gloves and it feels like I'm having frostbite. Isn't it beautiful? Check it out everywhere. So pretty. Oh my god, Yanu!
Oh, it's on! Come on! Bring it on!
I can't hold it.
Bring it on!
Whoa, that was a big one.
Let's do it!
There you go.
Oh, yeah, yeah!
Yanu, Yanu. That's it, Babu. Aru nalage. Nalage. Ouch. That was so...
Mama, look! Look at my angel!
Oh my god. Look at these. These are all snow ice. Look at this one. It's all ice got frozen on the tree. It's amazing. Looks like wax in here. And those are the trolleys. You can see people there are going downhill and then coming up for skiing. Yana, show me your face. Look at Yana's face. You can tell how cold it is. It's all red. Yanu, come. Let's go to the car. So not properly dressed. I was not prepared. Yanu, careful, Babu.
Time to eat some fries and hot coffee now. Much needed. This is the following day morning, and as you can see, this is the view from our hotel, and the blizzard has made all the roads covered, and there is no way we can go out of the hotel, so I think we have to stay back tonight as well.
Good morning. How are you all? Today it's storm here, blizzard, snow blizzard. Do you want to check? Check this out. So much of snow. Let me take it a little bit here. Oh my god. Check it out. It's beautiful. Gorgeous, isn't it? And roads are all blocked. We were supposed to go home today, but doesn't look like we will be able to make it to the roads. It's really blocked. This is so pretty.
It's cold!
It's cold. Let's get in.
Your hair is all covered in snow.
Alright. Maybe we will grab some coffee, right, Diana?
Yeah, and I'll get some hot chocolate.
Alright.
And that's our fur baby, Chance. He's enjoying his first snow. He's only 7 months old, so this is the first snow, and he is going crazy in the 2 feet of snow. It's really too much for him. You can see he is like trapped in the pile of snow. So after 3 days of heavy snowfall stuck up in the mountains, it's time to head back home. We are on our way to Maryland now, going back home, although there is snowfall, but it's much controlled. roads are a little bit better than the other 2 days. So we are heading back home, and hope you liked the video and enjoyed the snowfall. If you like it and haven't done it yet, make sure you like and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching, and I'll come back soon with some other fun videos. Stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye bye.